I'm up.
Kawan's like, man, he ain't gonna be able to take no pictures. They keep calling. I know.
Yeah, let's hurry up and go.
Huh?
Let's hurry up and go. We gotta go all the way home.
What about it? Yeah. They broke the railing, but the porch, the steps are still good to walk on. It's still dangerous. I mean, no matter what, but they had to do what they had to do. So, yeah, no matter what, they got to work on the porch. Now we got to redo the porch back there in the front. So